you. You walk into the dark heart of the you to stop the cells from dividing like the dew. The you walks intravenously into you, tightening the microtubules like a screw, and all your internal scaffolding, once alive and askew, turns rigid, indivisible. Is the body's haiku to rot and blossom, overthrowing us in a coup that ends in soil or fire. You walk into the you for a second chance, for an alternative avenue. And the you walks soundlessly into you as your hair thins out, muscles soften to tofu, and your lips turn metallic blue. Soon we walk together to Peru or Timbuktu. But first you must walk alone in the mind of the you.